What's up guys? So today I'm going to do a really quick unboxing video about this package from Everlane. Basically, I just got some face masks. They're like doing this thing where for every face mask you buy, they also donate face masks to people on the front lines. I got a few, and let's check it out. Alright, so starting off with the package, it's paper, which is really great, recyclable. I think more like companies and stuff should do this. Anyways, let's get opening. So this is, oh, it's just called the face mask. Here it is. It's a pack of 3 for 28 bucks, which is kind of expensive, at least from the image I saw, and like the material that they have, it's pretty high quality, I would assume. So I plan on using these for quite a while. There's 3 colors. There's the gray, a light gray, and black. I'll try it on. It kind of reminds me of like a sock, but it's for your face. But yeah, I think it's pretty good. It latches on pretty well. Alright, it's kind of weird because the band is a little thick and my ear is carrying the weight of my glasses and this band, which is kind of weird. It's not uncomfortable though, for sure. It's not uncomfortable. The mask is also really breathable, so like something that's really important for glasses wearers is that like a lot of the time it fogs up. I think if you pull it up far enough where it covers the 2 holes, you won't really get that problem. Like I don't feel like suffocated wearing this. Also, this material is really stretchy, so if you are looking to buy this, I think you could be really confident that it is a one-size-fits-all and it would fit your face pretty well. They also have another set of 3, and it's like a navy blue, and then it's all navy blue themed. This is the black one. This kind of looks like stuff people wear at raves. I don't know, honestly I really like these because I guess depending on the outfit I wear, I can switch up my mask. This one's weird. This one's like so baggy over here. I think this one fit the best. I mean, both of these fit the same, but this one's like, I'm supposed to have like big lips or something to fill this out. Overall, it's definitely something worth checking out. I could see myself like going out wearing this and coming home, just like hand wash it really quick, hang it up, and it should dry. Like this is really small cloth, so it should probably dry in like a couple hours. But yeah, mainly I really like these because I can go out and choose what I want to wear. If you can make your own like nice quality face masks and stuff, I would definitely recommend doing that instead of buying it. I hope this gives some kind of insight into like different products out there, different options you have, and hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe for sure, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.